just had an interesting situation with a 2006 Dodge Ram turbo diesel engine. It would crank but wouldn't start. I watched different videos which took a very long time and weren't that helpful. So we remembered a few months ago that we had to unhook the cables from both batteries, probably just the positive. We had the negatives also. Unhooked them, rehooked them back up, and it started. And this was after half hour, 45 minutes of frustration trying to figure out why it wouldn't start. So a tip, just try unhooking the battery cables. For some reason it lets that particular engine start.